Hey, welcome back to MarineMax. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I'm standing in front of a brand new in-stock 2025 Sea Ray Boats 21 SPX. This boat's finished in the Rally Red. It's got the watersports tower up top and the Dune interior inside. It's one of the most popular boats from Sea Ray for good reason. This particular one is also going to come with the swing tongue tandem axle trailer. You see it on here. Follow me around back. I'll show you some of the features that make this Sea Ray SPX series boat stand out. This particular boat is an inboard variant. It's also available as an outboard. You've got your Alpha 1 prop on here in your drive. These boats also have a submersible swim platform that flips down when your drive's down in the water. You can see back here, this boat's got the SeaDek on the swim platform back here, nice, soft on your feet, and it's got a cool pattern to it as well. Last but not least, back here on the swim platform, you've got a 4-step telescoping ladder up under this hatch. Got a tow point for water sports down here as well as on top of your tower, and a nice grab handle for getting in the boat from the water. As we walk inside the boat, we're going to have some great storage under here with your battery switches as well. SeaDek all the way throughout this walkthrough. Up here, you're going to have a cooler style storage box in here. Inside the boat, this one is equipped with the snap-in style flooring. It's a very popular option, very easy to remove and clean. Great storage on this boat. All around, you've got access for a cooler up under your passenger side, as well as some storage under your driver's side seat back here. In the middle, this boat's gonna have a very large ski locker. Great storage space for tubes, water skis, things like that. You see we've got the cover in there right now. When the SPX was redesigned in late 2024, they reintroduced this 2-position lounger here as a standard feature on these boats. You can lock it in either rear-facing configuration or pick it up here in the center and walk it back. We've also got storage underneath this seat as well. Your passenger's going to have a glove box here. Great space to put a phone with USB and USB-C charging. Over at the helm, you're going to have a really nice, comfortable bucket seat with a flip-up bolster. This slides as well as swivels. This boat's going to be equipped with all of the technology options, including the Simrad NSX series screen up top, the Fusion audio head unit. Got some manual switches for your key components like your running lights and navigation lights here, your key switch, and then your Mercury throttle over there with your trim controls. Your driver's also going to have a USB charger, as well as plenty of cup holders throughout the boat. Coming forward here on the port side, great little storage space here under your port side console, great spot for life jackets, coolers, things like that. Coming forward, you're going to have a fold-over windshield that locks in place here. As part of the redesign in late 2024, they've improved the shape of the windshield to give it a more kind of curvy, kind of stylish look. And then up here at the very front of the boat, great seating, very comfortable place to be. There's an optional bow filler cushion for this area as well. Got storage under both seats, cup holders under both seats, and then this boat also has a dedicated anchor locker up at the front. Really nice feature on these SPX series boats. This 2025 Sea Ray SPX 210 is in stock and available now here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you're interested in this boat or any others, give us a call. Check us out at marinemax.com or stop by today for more. Thanks for watching.